corner with the trailer on. Anyway, this is round 2 of getting Spencer a rally car.
Let's see what happens. It's $200 though, so good chance we're gonna have something good happen.
Alright, we definitely just crashed, but let's see how it looks.
It's not that bad though.
Oh boy.
It really does it, you know?
Or you crashed right here, so now I've just crashed right there.
No, this isn't. So yeah, you
pop,
didn't create this line.
I might be able to pop that out.
Dude, you didn't even do that much though. It's awesome.
I'll bend this back.
Holy shit.
Oh my
If
god.
that guardrail wasn't there, we would have been off the road.
Why is it so slippery?
Oh, I don't know, but I'm sorry that happened, but at least that was pretty decent.
Yeah, I just gotta bend all that out, I guess. It's gonna paintless dent repair.
Nice. You got all the
Fucking stupid. Oh, all the hubs feel really good. Ugh.
I can't believe that just happened.
Oh my god. Alright, you guys better like and subscribe because I just crashed my truck.
Yeah.
Okay.
I wish we got that on video.
Yeah. Like and sub for the crashed truck. Now we gotta get up this hill.
We just saw that.
Yeah. A bunch of people. Bunch of people just witnessed us
Oh my god.
crash. Like I had to power through too because like there's a bunch of traffic coming, so I had to power out of it.
Yeah.
So you know, instead of like some people would have just let themselves crash and fishtail in the road there, and that would have been awful.
Yeah.
Not me. Power out of everybody's way. Fucking hit the guardrail at speed and get moving out of people's way. So
You know,
part
part of me wonders if you had floored it just a little sooner, could we have, you know, gone unscathed? But I think it kind of worked out.
The
pretty
trailer
good.
would have smashed the
Worked
guardrail
at
so
speed,
hard. Yeah.
at speed too. So I think the way it worked out was as smooth as it could have happened.
Yeah.
I mean, because
There's just all ice under everything.
Oh, dude, I know.
Okay, a fork, and we go right. Go until we see a garage. Oh god, it's getting deep. We get stuck as shit down here. All right, guys, come on. You gotta like and subscribe for this. I don't know where we're going. We're 2 hours away from home. It's terrible weather, and we just crashed our truck. You gotta
Truck's still going now.
You gotta like and sub for this, man.
That must be up here.
Yeah. Holy shit, man.
Is that it right there?
I don't know.
That looks like it could be.
Oh god, that's a sob.
Oh, crazy bastard. It worked. You did it.
Okay.
Yeah, I got what's the story?
I bought it trying to fix it up, but I got tired.
Everything on
I just know, I mean, the inside's a little beat, but the frame's good, rockers are good.
Yeah.
Decently rare. I don't know what that wiring issue is, you know, like,
Won't crank or?
no, just with the wiring, I mean, it turns like, you can see the lights and stuff.
Yeah. Doesn't do
Doesn't
nothing.
even hook on.
Alright. Yeah, I definitely had to chase that before, and it can be all winter.
Oh yeah, that's what I always use when I watch them guys.
This is gonna be fun to figure out.
Well, yeah.
Pretty good. I know. What is going on here? I guess a plastic box to hold a winch probably isn't the best design. I put one strap on the back. Probably I'll put another one. Were you saying that we could go this way?
Yeah.
Oh, it goes around?
Yeah.
Is that what he's doing?
Yeah, you definitely want to go. Drifting the old town car.
I miss my Chromebook.
Yeah.
All right, fuck.
Rear-wheel drives are nice.
We might literally just like hang out there till the plow truck comes. Oopsie. Just another day in Maine. We just saw a big old truck off the road with an old guy driving it, but like we're on the edge of grip right now ourselves. Like we're literally, I'm pumping the brakes and actually being steered kind of off the road right now.
And we have a trailer.
And we've got a trailer with a car. We cannot help that old guy. This is bad. This is ice. There's,
Dude, go to the left.
yeah, this is literal just ice. Like I'm,
Definitely gotta stay in the middle.
there's a big hill coming up too. Well,
It's like the most dangerous day to get a fucking car.
yeah, wish us luck, folks. All right, mission success. We have the vehicle in tow. Let's see if you guys can see it back there. My jacket's kind of in the way. Oh, no, wait, I got it.
That's
I can see it in the mirror.
Yeah.
There you go. So, Subaru Legacy Outback, platform that neither of us are very familiar in, but
It's got the 2.5 RS and it's a manual.
so that's all you need.
And
right?
it was $200. You really can't go wrong.
No, you cannot go wrong.
Yeah. Haven't heard it start. Has a dead battery. Has a seized caliper.
Yeah.
The exhaust is in the trunk. Probably gonna sell the cats.
Cat's out of the bag now.
Cat's out of the bag.
All right, guys. So we're back at home. Base of operations. Low four wheels.
Yeah.
Oh, you're neutral, huh? Going low. Hey, keep doing now. Push over. Now you can back up. How do you like that, huh? Tore it up a little bit. Kelly.
$200 car. Do it again. Make it turn over. Make it turn over. So the clutch was stuck. We got it unstuck, and now it turns over. The electrical problem was a stuck clutch.
So we're good.
Like, it's literally the same thing with my car. The problem that was there is non-existent.
Clean this up.
I can't believe it. I can't fucking believe it. It's already fixed. Really, the main problem is already fixed.
You actually broke it, probably.
Yeah, we probably may have just broke something.
Gotta fix it.
Yeah, it was already broken.
Solve
though.
the issue, though.
Yeah. All right. Well,
Let's see if we can continue to start it.
well, dude, now it should be put back up on here, and you should play around under it. All right, I guess. Okay. Well, now it's gotta be jacked up. We're gonna cut that part.
Press the pedal, and I was like, "Well, this isn't supposed to like it, so I'm just gonna hit it harder."
Yeah.
And you freed it, and we just kept doing it, and then it fixed it.
Yep.
Because we broke it.
That's wild. You wanna check oil level first and stuff?
Put your ear up to
Yeah. What
the gas.
Oh. Yeah. Yep. Yep. It's priming. Do you have gas? No. You should also check if you have oil.
Well, it's got oil. Where's the mark, huh? Oh, right there. So it's. Ooh, it's like water.
Ew.
All right, I'm gonna do an oil change on it tomorrow.
Yeah.
But let's try to get it running now.
Yeah.
Oh, you got some starting fluid, right?
I do. Yeah.
You can try spraying it in. This air thing isn't on.
Oh, MAF isn't on.
Think that would do it?
Yeah, it might not run without a MAF.
Oh, well, we got one right here.
Yeah, you got the airbox set up and everything in there. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, she's a squirter.
So we have air in it.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa, are we watching Trisha?
Stop that. Stop. Actually, do it one more time.
Ah, my God.
There is definitely a hole.
Can we name this car Trisha?
Yes.
So Michael, what's going on here? This is where we bleed it from.
I don't know, but that seems like a problem.
Well, I know.
But that means that that's not bad.
It's probably this.
It's that.
Is it just air in the system and we plug that hole or whatever and bleed it and we're good?
No, I don't know, man. I could post it to a forum. And find
Why
out.
don't we try it?
How do we plug that?
We gotta dry it up and we'll put a piece of black duct tape on it maybe or something.
Black duct tape.
Yeah, the Gorilla tape. That's just good.
I mean, like, we'll
Get some
put.
Flex Seal.
I do have something better. I have something
Yeah?
much better. I have like
Why don't we
JB
dry
Well.
it up and we'll try that?
JB Well?
No, I
Shoe
want something
shoe
flex-
goop would be better.
I
than
want
it.
that Flex Seal, like a rubberized deal.
Shoe goop stronger.
Undercoating would probably work.
Than, yeah, something stronger than that.
Someone said that's a hole in your slave cylinder, so they know that.
It's a hole in your slave cylinder.
Well, it's a hole in the linkage anyways.
yeah.
Linkage. How do we fix it?
I'm not gonna worry about it too much more tonight. I know that's what I need to get tomorrow, and then we'll, if there's another issue, then we'll find out.
Yeah. Does it go in and out of gears?
Yeah. Oh, absolutely it does. Right here.
Ooh. What is this? Oh, I remember this. It goes there.
Yeah. So I have windshield wiper sizes, types of oil, how much oil, type of battery, coolant, water, light bulbs, filters, brake pads, calipers, rotors,
A few moments later.
tires, got the brake fluid, exhaust pipe, tie rod, maybe the suspension, I don't know. I might even do all the, but I think I want to do just the tie rod for now. And then once everything breaks, we'll replace it all.
Yeah. All right. Obviously, it was getting pretty late, so we had to stop. We're trying to track down a bunch of fixes that the previous owner did that didn't quite need to be done. So we're just backtracking a bunch of stuff. Next video is going to be on diagnosing and repairing. We're also going to make a custom exhaust. The first Subaru 2.5 X pipe that we've ever seen. I've done a bunch of searching online. Nobody's ever tried this, so let's see how it sounds. We'd love to be the first to do things. But that's it for this video. Catch you guys on the next one. So now, next step is to flush the new slave cylinder.
This doesn't even.
It doesn't fit. It's to a different Subaru, isn't it? I like it. Wow, I like it.